Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. Enunciating text 4, text 5 and text 6 of chapter 3, the Lord's pastimes out of Vrindavan of 30 annual status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 4, Takudmino, Avidhanaso, Damitva, Swayamvare, Nagna Jiti Muvaha, Tadabhagna, Mananapi, Grudhyato Adnyana, Jagne Akshatah, Shastrabhrutah, Swashastraih. By subduing 7 bulls whose noses were not pierced, the Lord achieved the hand of Princess Nagnajiti in the open competition to select her bridegroom. Although the Lord was victorious, his competitors asked the hand of the princess, and thus there was a fight. Well equipped with weapons, the Lord killed or wounded all of them, but he was not hurt himself. Text 5. Priyam Prabhur Gramya Iba Priyaya Vidhit Surarchada Dyutarum Yadarthe Vajra Yadra Vattamas Gano Rushandhah Krida Mrugo Noonamayam Vadhunam. Just to please his dear wife, the Lord brought back the Parijat tree from heaven, just as an ordinary husband would do. But Indra, the king of heaven, induced by his wife's henpecked as he was, ran after the Lord with full force to fight him. The Lord once went to the heavenly planet to present an earring to Aditi, the mother of the demigods, and his wife Satyabhama also went with him. There is a special flowering tree called the Parijat which grows only in the heavenly planets, and Satyabhama wanted this tree. Just to please his wife, like an ordinary husband, the Lord brought back the tree, and this enraged Vajri, or the controller of the thunderbolt. Indra's wives inspired him to run after the Lord to fight, and Indra, because he was a henpecked husband and also a fool, listened to them and dared to fight with Krishna. He was a fool on this occasion because he forgot that everything belongs to the Lord. There was no fault on the part of the Lord, even though he took away the tree from the heavenly kingdom. But because Indra was henpecked, dominated by his beautiful wives like Sachi, he became a fool, just as all persons who are dominated by their wives are generally foolish. Indra thought that Krishna was a henpecked husband and who only by the will of his wife Satyabhama took away the property of heaven, and therefore he thought that Krishna could be punished. He forgot that the Lord is the proprietor of everything and cannot be henpecked. The Lord is fully independent, and by his will only he can have hundreds and thousands of wives like Satyabhama. He was not therefore attached to Satyabhama because she was a beautiful wife, but he was pleased with her devotional service and thus wanted to reciprocate the unalloyed devotion of his devotee. Text 6. Sutam Brudhekham Vapusha Grasantam Drushtva Sunabhon Mathitam Dharitrya Amantritas Tanayaya Shesham Dattva Tadantah Purama Vivesha. Narkasur, the son of Dharitri, the earth, tried to grasp the whole sky, and for this he was killed by the Lord in a fight. His mother then prayed to the Lord. This led to the return of the kingdom to the son of Narkasur, and thus the Lord entered the house of the demon. It is said in other Puranas that Narkasur was the son of Dharitri, the earth, by the Lord himself, but he became a demon due to the bad association of Bana, another demon. And a theist is called a demon. And it is a fact that even a person born of good parents can turn into a demon by bad association. Birth is not always the criterion of goodness. Unless and until one is trained in the culture of good association, one cannot become good. Hare Krishna.